Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sheikh Maniruzzaman, assistant teacher in English, Madhugram Islami Ali Madrasa Dumuria Khulna. Today I am going to take a class on past indefinite tense. Now at first I will example an affirmative sentence. I went to Khulna yesterday. Next, number, I was with my parents. See, they were with their parents. Alright, students, past indefinite tense means an action which was performed in the past. Here, I have written, I went to Khulna yesterday. Here, after subject, I have written went, which is the past form of main verb go. So, to form an affirmative sentence in past indefinite tense, at first you will write subject, next you will write past form of the main verb. So I have written I went to Khulna yesterday. Next, number B, I was with my parents. Here, was is the main verb of the sentence. You know, was, where, am, is, are, auxiliary verb. But here, was and where are main verb of the sentence. I was with my parents, they were with their parents. Was and where are main verb of the sentence. My dear students, next I will an example of negative sentence in the past indefinite tense. Number A, I have written, I did not go to Khulna yesterday. Number B, I was not with my parents. Number C, they were not with their parents. My dear students, look at the whiteboard and see carefully. When you will form a negative sentence in the past indefinite tense, at first you will have to write subject. As I have written subject I in the sentence number A. Next, I have written did not go to Khulna yesterday. My dear student, so when you want to write negative sentence in the past indefinite tense, you will have to write at first subject. Next, you will have to write did not. Next, you will write present form of the main verb. So I have written I did not go. You will never write past form of the verb. you will write after subject did not. Next you will have to write main verb of the present form. So I have written I did not go to Khulna yesterday. Next, in number B, I was not with my parents. Here, was. Was is main verb. Main verb of the sentence. I was not with my parents. Number C, they were not with their parents. Here, where is main verb of the sentence. My dear learners, now I will show an example, an interrogative sentence. Did you go to Khulna yesterday? It is an interrogative sentence. So, at first you will have to write did before the subject. As I have written did before the subject you. Did you go to Khulna yesterday? Next, I have given an example of negative interrogative sentence. Did you not go to Khulna yesterday? My dear students, look at the whiteboard and see carefully. Did you not go to Khulna yesterday? At first I have written did, next I have written subject you, next I have written not, and go. Go is the present form of main verb. Go. Did you not go to Khulna yesterday? My dear learners, see carefully. I have written did you. You is a pronoun. For this reason, you will have to write not after pronoun. As I have written, did you not. Next, I have given another example. Did not Roma go to Khulna yesterday? And students, see carefully. Did not Roma. Why I have written did not before subject Roma? Because I have written did not before Roma. Roma is a name of a person. Roma is third person. For this reason, Roma is a noun. For this reason, I have written did not. When you will see subject a noun, you will write before subject not. As I have written did not. When you will see pronoun, you will write not after pronoun. And when you will see noun in negative sentence, you will write not before noun. Here, Roma is a noun. Roma is a girl's name. For this reason, you will have to write not before subject. Here, I have written did not Roma. You will never write not after after subject. When you will see subject noun. So I have written did not Rama go to Khulna yesterday. Dear learners, thank you for your taking part on my class.